Hi, what's going on? Welcome to Driver Installer. In this video, I will show you how you can take screenshots on your iPhone. In this video, you will definitely learn how to take a screenshot, not only because it is quite easy to do, but because I will show you several methods so you can choose the one you like the most. Before we start, if you want to know more tricks like the ones you will see in this video, subscribe to this channel. We will start with method number 1. This is the easiest method of all, because you will only have to press 2 buttons. If you have an iPhone 8 or any older iPhone, you are going to do this. You are going to press the side button or lock button along with the home button. Press them both at the same time and then you're going to quickly release both buttons. If you have done everything right, your device will take the screenshot. If not, you may need to practice a bit. If you have an iPhone 10 or any model that includes Face ID, you will do this. To take the screenshot, you are going to press the side button or lock button along with the volume up button, then you are going to quickly release these 2 buttons and the device will take the screenshot. If you have followed all these steps and still have not been able to take the screenshot, do not worry, because now I will show you 2 alternative methods with which you can take the screenshot. For this second method, you will be using a native iOS tool called Assistive Touch. You can enable this tool in several ways. The first of these is directly asking Siri.
Okay, I turned Assistive Touch on.
If for some reason you can't use Siri, go to Settings, then Accessibility, select Touch, and now you can enable this tool. With this tool enabled, go to Device, then More, and in this section you will get the option Screenshot. Simply select it and that's it. But don't leave this video yet, because there is another method to show you. This method is simple but very useful in case you cannot physically access your iPhone. In this last method, you will be using Siri to take a screenshot. You are going to activate Siri, and then you are going to say, "Siri, take a screenshot." And as you can see, Siri has taken the screenshot for you. In this video, you have learned 3 different ways to take screenshots on your iPhone. If you want to continue learning, watch this video. Don't forget to go without signing up.